How to redeem Costco Citi Credit Card rewards. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem your Costco Citi Credit Card rewards. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first things first, you can always go to your Citi's website and then log in into your account. Then here, this is official Citi's website that teaches you how you can redeem your Costco credit card rewards. So if you want to redeem those, first you can just earn it. So you can earn your card's reward and then use it finally. So the process is really simple. Just log in into your account and then just follow along with the process of using your credit scores or credit rewards, which you can get, discounts and many other benefits from. So here you can see with Costco Anywhere Visa Card, you can receive your cashback reward in reward certificate issued with your February billings statement. So yeah, you will need to first get your February billing statement, and after that what you'll need to do is you will need to have earned more than $1 in reward. So after you've earned more than $1 in reward, you can then finally be eligible to use it. So you can get the reward certificate, which you can then use to get the discounts and many other features. And that's basically how you redeem or use your credit card rewards. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.